It's finally here. Yamaha announced their all-new 2024 YZ250F today. After years of success on the current platform, the model enters a new generation with the 2024 model year. The all-new 2024 Yamaha YZ250F. The frame and bodywork are the biggest updates, taking after the current 450. A slimmer, flatter body design, a lower airbox, flatter seat, with a narrow fuel tank and radiator shrouds are paired with KYB suspension. From the first look, the motor appears similar to the current model. This was arguably the biggest concern, as the current YZ250F is known to be a powerhouse engine, and many were concerned if they'd steer away with major changes. There seems to be a new intake path to match the updated bodywork, along with updated mapping and map controls. The engine on the 2024 model looks similar to the one from the current generation. There's also a new 3-level traction control system: high, low, or off. An updated launch control system features an RPM limiter which can be adjusted in 500 revolutions per minute increments between 6,000 revolutions per minute and 14,000 revolutions per minute for optimized launches. Listed MSRP is $8,899.